So I'm just in the reception area of EMM Hotel, and it is absolutely lovely. There's plenty of seats to relax in, lots of coffee tables, and the gentleman just giving me a cup of sweet tea, so it's really refreshing. So yeah, I'd highly recommend coming here. It's a very nice hotel and I absolutely love my room. Okay, so let's do the room tour. This is the view from the main door, from your room door, and you've got a nice double bed, nice sort of minimalistic design, two side tables, not too cluttered because there's lights on the walls, so you don't need any extra lamps on the bedside table, touch of colour on the bedspread. And let's go into the bathroom. Big vanity unit here with a sink in the centre, lots of space for your towels and your personal care products. Really nice modern rain shower with the traditional shower head as well. Soap and probably shower gel. And what's really nice is that on a lot of pictures in hotels, the pictures look really good, but when you actually get into the hotel, the quality is worn. It can be really old, but this looks like it's been well looked after. It doesn't look old at all really. Looks quite new. Typical toilet. So let's have a look at the wardrobe. It's got sort of colonial style doors, safe, mini bar fridge which is extra, costs you extra, decent sized wardrobe. And then let's go out to the balcony. So automatically you've got table and chairs in the centre, pretty decent view of the street. And guess what, look at this, I didn't know about this, but we've got a view of the mountains, which is absolutely awesome. That's going to look well nice at night. And then the size of the balcony is pretty impressive as well. And then if I very carefully tip my camera over the edge, you can see the swimming pool. Yeah, so that's the room tour. So this cost me £57 after taxes. I guess that's going to be about $67. Yeah, so the swimming pool's like in the courtyard in the centre of the hotel.